Traders, today was another great day. We caught the fade down from the 230 and the 229 price tag and rode it all the way down to profit. Check out how we did it. All right. All right. Good morning, everyone. Hope all is well. Get some of this stuff out of the way so I can see. My screen. All right. So we are 4 minutes and 9 seconds until cash open. The jobless report. The jobless report was negative. Right, so we added about 11,000 new claims from last week. It is also well below the zero mark. So bad report there, negative report. And then also productivity and cost report, which is not a market mover, but that was also negative as well. All right, we are actually trading out of balance to the upside from last profile, and we are trading in the extreme high numbers of last month, January. So the extreme high was 230.32. We are at 230.45. The weekly high of last week's weekly high is 230.32. We're just above that. Which is also the monthly high, and also the monthly value high, 229.97. So we're just above some extremes. VIX is well below 20 at 15.58 at the moment. We're starting to see some activity happening in the 230.50 area, 230.60 roughly. We're starting to see some buyers get absorbed. We're also almost 3 standard deviations to the upside. If you are if you have VWAP on your screen with deviations and anchors. So I have the 230 puts and the 239. Sorry, the 230 and the 229 puts in my watch list. And I currently have the 230s ready to go because we are nicely inside of the 230s. As always, I want to see some kind of reaction first before dropping. And we're starting to see that in pre-market with a minute and 40 seconds until cash open. We're seeing that reaction. Prices are going higher or trading higher, but we're not seeing any volume up there. There was a unfinished auction Friday, January the 31st, right at the 230.32 area. So the fact that we're above that is telling me that we may finish the auction first before the fade. So I would like to see us try to push higher before dropping. I want to see that reaction happening. Maybe 50 seconds until cash open. Again, I got the 230 puts and the 229 puts, 0 DTE ready to go. I have the 230 puts ready to go in my active trader. Prices are $112 right now, but that's going to change in 30 seconds. So should go well below 100. 229s are trading or selling for $64 per contract. So hopefully we don't have a straight drop. Again, I like to see some kind of reaction. We are seeing that now in the 920 candle. 10 seconds until cash open. Let's see that reaction. All right, we are opening now. $44 per contract is great. Do 230 puts. All right, we have popped higher to the 230.69. No volume with a big volume area near the 230.59s. Prices are great at $44 per contract. Seeing a pop into the 230s and then dropping. All right, I am entering in 45 cent per contract, 230 puts. I like that reaction down. First sign of resistance is 230.32 though, so $45 per contract. We almost got that 10. It's almost at 55 before it changed to 50. So it is hitting that 230.55 mark, and volume is building from there before it reacts down. Just waiting for a push. That where is it? 230.57 to 230.55. There's a lot of volume building there. Every time it hits it, it builds. And we drop to the 230.32 area, then I probably would take all profits there because that's the first sign of resistance. All right, we're getting close to the first $10, so I could take profit here. All right, I'm taking profit at 55. Moving my stop to protect that. So I got $10 per contract. We're hitting that first sign of resistance. All right. So it looks like we're going higher, going down further. So 45 was my entry, 55 is the half, and we are at 58. It'll be nice to get that 65. Oh, it's dropping. The sellers are really coming in now. Hopefully everyone caught that. And they're still hitting that first sign of resistance. So this may be an area to take everything here. And I'm probably going to get stopped out. 47, I move my stop to 47 just to lock in profit as well as pay for commission. We're still in the game on the second part of it. Is at 54 now. But yeah, it's hitting that 230.32 area and taking profit. Again, that's the first sign of resistance, but we should all, if you followed me, you should be in profit for sure. Now it's at 58. Now they really coming in. Sellers are really dropping it. 61. I would love to get 65, $20 per contract. We didn't get it yesterday. We got 10. So hitting that another sign of resistance. I'm tempted to take it all here and just take we're dropping. I'm gonna move my stop to capture more profit instead of taking it all. All right, 63 with $2 away from full $20 per contract. That should be it right there. That drop should have been it. All right, I'm done. Second target got hit, 65 per contract. Entered at 45, took half or 75% off at 55, and then 65 was the full $20 per contract. I am all the way out. Let me actually double check to make sure I have no working orders. Yep, all the way out. And I am done. Let me pull up the general chat, see how you guys done it did. Let's see. So I'm out. Um, where is it? Was my volume low for everyone else? See one, six, okay. 53 for small gain. Gain is gain. Okay, thank you. So my volume is fine. Okay, cool. I appreciate it. Sellers are still coming in. Don't chase it, but they're still dropping. I hate to say the word easy when it comes to trading, but this was a pretty easy one. This was straightforward. There wasn't a lot of games they played on this one. They didn't hide a lot. Again, they can't hide volume, but this was straight drop. No trickery here. 53.64 was your price. Is this I don't know what platform you're using. Are you using TOS? It shouldn't matter because options, ladders, they all use the same server. I'm just wondering what platform. Okay. 53 out at 67. Awesome. Yeah, I can't tell you when to enter because that's giving financial advice. All I can do is tell you when I enter. So when I give my fill price, I say I'm entering here and I tell you my fill price, that's me entering the market. 45. Oh, 45? Yeah, it did. Believe it did go to 45. You're right, because we had a little pop up to 230.70 area. That could have been the 45 mark. Yeah, because that was exactly when I entered the 45 entry price. And I can't remember what the price tag was at the time. I know when we hit the 230.60, 230, was it 230.58 to 230.55 is when I entered. That heavy volume was insane. 52 to 56, first 75. Okay, 52 to 60. That's awesome. Now we got to turn that paper into to live so you can start cashing out. But that's awesome though. The fact that you getting the hang of your platform and knowing when to move your stop, that's awesome. Active trade, yeah, active trader is awesome. 53 in, 67 out, awesome. Yeah, for sure. That's the negative about paper trading and using the simulator. You're just not gonna get the best fills, but good practice. It should help you build the confidence to know what to do when you start turning that into live trading. It's hard to do because then I would be blocking the charts if I move my ladder over. You have to physically adjust the stop. It's not going to do it for you. You have to drag and drop it. So I would tell you, as soon as I enter the trade, I'm anticipating making at least $10. So my finger is on the trigger to drag and drop it. I want to protect that as fast as possible. Yep, always buy, never sell. Selling, you're capping your profit based on what you how much you invest. I don't want to cap my profit. I want to take as much the market is allowing to give me or wants to give me. I don't like trailing stops. I mean, that's a preference thing. I found that when I did do a trailing stop, it's hard to move it. You have to cancel it first, which you don't want to cancel your stop before you can actually adjust it. It's too much to adjust it. I just physically move it. Now you can do a trailing stop, say if you in profit and you want to protect what you make, and then you got to maybe walk away from your computer. Then you can do it that way. I'm personally, I can just say personally, I'm not the biggest fan of trailing. It's always on the right side. If you're looking at active trader, your entries, your take profits, and your stop loss is always going to be the right side of active trader. So you have to scroll down to where your stop is and physically click it and drag. Okay. I think I answered everyone. Just a heads up, I have an appointment tomorrow at 8:30. I'm trying to get it moved. If I'm not able to move it, I will let everybody know first, well before the market opens. If I'm able to move it, then I will see and talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Commissions. What what platform is that? 104. I love it. Paper. We got to turn that paper into real money. But I'm hoping that you're building the confidence. 150 $15 for commissions? Oh, okay, I got you. Oh, okay. You're doing futures. I don't know how the futures commissions work. Well, it's never that much for me, especially when I'm in profit. I protect it anyway. So whatever that is, it doesn't take away from the money I cashed in. Matching the exact entry price, that depends on if you're paper trading or live. Paper trading, you're not going to get accurate fills. That's just any brokerage will tell you that. They don't focus on that server. And it also depends probably on your platform. I think all platforms use the same options ladder that comes from the exchange. They all pay to get that information. Oh, that's dope. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what's good about the paper side. Learning your platform. That's the only good thing, really. I don't know too much about Tasty Trade. I haven't even heard anything about it, good or bad, to know about Tasty Trade. So I can't really help you with that. Is it a paid service? Do you pay commissions with Tasty Trade? I would guess so, right? Be careful with those brokers that claim zero commissions because you will not get accurate fills. It's tough. A bad trader, I could do that, but that's why 9:30 and 10 is really the best time for me. Afterwards, I really don't have the time to do that. Play around with the paper trade. It hurts you none to enter and practice moving your stops because you're not playing with real money. I wish I could do that for you. Maybe this weekend I can, if I find the time, I can do a YouTube video and post it to you guys. Uh, Tasty Trade is good for selling futures. Okay. Yeah, I've heard the name. I never even took the time to take a deep dive into it. I've only dealt with TradeStation and then now Suave. I learned how to trade on TradeStation, and then Suave, Thinkorswim just realized it was super easy to use over Thinkorswim. I mean, over TradeStation, so I switched over. All right. If there is nothing else, it looks like I answered everyone. I'm go ahead and head out of here. Again, I'll let you all know if I can't move my schedule for tomorrow. I should be able to, but if not, I'll let you guys know ahead of time. I've heard great things about interactive brokers. I've never used them, but everyone that I've spoken to who trades with interactive broker loves them. I don't know how easy the platform is versus TOS, but my preference TOS has just been extremely easy to use. I understand is in person is better. I don't have the time to do so. I would love to. But I can't. Oh yeah. Yeah, good internet is important for sure. That's why I put stops in. So just in case foreseeing issues like internet goes out or my laptop crashes, I know if it goes against me, I'm not gonna blow my entire account. It sucks, but 52. That's not bad. Especially in what happened today. I mean, it's right now it's 67 or 69. It's not the best feel, but it's not the worst either. Also, when you're doing market orders, you're getting in at the available price. You really can't pick and choose the exact entry. It shouldn't be too far off from what you see, but yeah. Yeah, internet is important. I have great high speed over here, but I've had issues too where it's just my computer just froze or internet issues, my router went down. It sucks, but at least you know you're not blowing it. Alrighty. I am out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Um, let's try to get them tomorrow. Have a great one.